Hey, what's up, y'all? Jason at KiloWattRC. We are back at it. Do some runs today with this Losi. We are just running 16S. Gonna do some dialing in. Gonna get her dirty. Yeah, let's see how it all works out. Give it a nice little run. Yeah, she ran pretty good. Got the KiloWattRC wheels on here. See the speed registering? Still is. Stop. Read. 84. All right, I guess we're running back again, okay? Start. She sounds pretty violent, guys. It's been a while, man, so I'm a little scared, all right? So look, you see the speed is registering. Stop, read. 94 on that one. Not bad at all. Let's see what she looks like inside. Here's the build. Some cheap China hobby lines. Mad 21. Made by XC, Castle 2535 520. We are running 16S. Oh yeah, don't forget we got these KiloWattRC wheels on here. We're gonna push them a little harder, man. Push them a little bit harder and see how they do. These are holding up pretty good. All right, we'll see you on a few. Peace. All right, y'all. So we're back at it. Pull the day log. I figured I'd just go real quick. Show the logs. Not much. Amp consumption. You see, I did let off right here. First pass. 340 amps max, down to 41 volts, man. Come on, China Hobby Line, man. What are y'all doing, man? What's China Hobby Line doing, man? So, second pass, went a little harder. Batteries warmed up some, they're not prepped. Second pass, 391 amps, 47 volts. See, they held a lot better after they warmed up. 25,000 RPM max. Just wanted to show y'all the logs. Cool, see you on the fuel. Peace. What's up, guys? Jason at KiloWattRC. Man, it's been a crazy day today, man. Came out here, did a couple passes with some China Hobby Line. Okay, cool, you know what I mean? I went to go put in some other batteries and I made the wrong connector, so I had to leave. Came right back, made the right connector, came right back, and then lost the diff right away. So here we are, we're back at it. Repaired the diff, it is what it is. Let's run it, 16S, got Overkill, Lipos in here. So let's see how this does. We're gonna hit track, start. Why does that fall? Stop, read. You see the 1 mile an hour? And we're gonna roll it. See the speed registering? So we're gonna hit start. Okay. So personal best today is 94. Let's go ahead and beat that. Got the KiloWattRC wheels on here. KiloWattRC Overkills, 10.4s. I won't be making no more 10.4s. It's gonna be a totally different number. That way, people don't confuse mine with someone else's, even though they could be different. So totally different number. I picked 10.4 because it's a very unique number, but I see, you know, people want to use the same number, so I gotta switch it up. So everything after the 24th, when Chinese New Year's done, Overkills will be 11Ks, slightly different in size, but be pretty similar. All right, let's go, guys. Woo! Guys, that was kind of fast for JJ at KiloWattRC. That was kind of too fast for me. I had to slow down, guys. That was bananas. That was kind of too fast, guys. I had to slow that down, guys. That was ridiculous. It's been a while, but that was blazing. That was blazing. I had a very rough start, but she was definitely cooking. Those are the Overkill packs. Let's make sure it's still registering the speed. Oh, she is. Stop. Read. 107 miles an hour, guys. You see that? 107 miles an hour, 16S. That thing was cooking, guys. Let's see how this does. I'm gonna hit track, start. Why does that fall? Stop. Read. You see the 1 mile an hour? And we're gonna roll. See the speed registering? So we're gonna hit start. Okay. So personal best today is 94. Let's go ahead and beat that. Got the KiloWattRC wheels on here. KiloWattRC Overkills, 10.4s. I won't be making no more 10.4s. It's gonna be a totally different number. That was blazing. I had a very rough start, but she was definitely cooking. Those are the Overkill packs. Let's make sure it's still registering speed. Oh, she is. Stop. Read. 107 miles an hour, guys. You see that? 107 miles an hour, 16S. That thing was cooking, guys. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. KiloWattRC wheels on this thing. 107. Woo! I don't even know if I want to run again, guys. Let's just pull over to the side and take a look at this build, okay? Let's just take a look at this build, because that was crazy. 107. Hey, y'all, can y'all see that? 107? That is crazy. Woo! Let's just pull on over here. Like I said, these are the KiloWattRC wheels. The rear wheels got a little dirty because I lost a rear diff, so the front wheels dirtied it up. My ESC fan is messed up, so it's not on, even if it's supposed to be on. But yeah, big shout to KiloWattRC. He saw what happened to me with these wheels, and he's got different wheels, so look out for these wheels. I could go again, guys, but I really shouldn't. You see the KiloWattRC 10.4s. These are the OGs. Newer ones would be 11K, would be similar size. I just don't want to have the same number as someone else. You get what I'm saying? I don't want to have the same number as someone else, even if it's different. Got the Mad 21, Castle 2525, 520. Got the KiloWattRC pinion gear on there. I mean, let's just going over to the side. Looks like this guy's starting up an airplane. That was kind of fast, guys. That was so fast, man. I was just like, whoa. That was something different, guys. Oh my God. Oh yeah, first thing in the morning, I shorted out my NSD RC RS 2500 servo. Shorted it out, so I had to fix that and put this in. So nothing but problems today, and then we beat the 104 easily with 107. Yeah, we could push faster because I didn't really get too crazy on it, but I'm gonna just leave it like this. And yeah, let other people try to do what they can do. But I could definitely push really fast. That was blazing, bro. I can't even explain it how blazing that was. That was crazy. 107, guys. Come on. Come on. KiloWattRC lipos. I mean, dude, guys, I got the best lipos in the game. I'm just saying, guys, look, it's gonna be crazy this year, but that's, whoo! Shout out to Mac opponents and XC. Shout out to Castle. Shout out to KiloWattRC. You know what I'm saying? I got there when I blew the diff. You know what I'm saying? I run their grease on the diffs. KiloWattRC. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to Vidavon. You know, even though I made up that wing, redid it, it's got Vidavon layout. A lot of Vidavon stuff on here. Drive shaft, steering, or receiver box. But yo, TaylorRC, yo, y'all did y'all thing today, man. I'm real impressed. I'm gonna push him harder, but just like you said, TaylorRC, just take it easy. So we just did our 107. I could have pushed it even harder, but I was cool with it. So let's go ahead and look at the data log. I knew that thing was crazy fast, man. That made no sense how fast that thing was. That thing was stupid fast, man. Like the way it just flew by, I was like, bro. I was like, yo, what is going on here, bro? Let's go ahead and download, boom. But yeah, I could have went a lot harder, but I didn't. And I can still run, guys, but I'm not gonna. 107, we're gonna chill. We did 3 complete passes today. There you go, 107. This plane about to take off. Look at that, 55 volts at 528 amps. The China hobby lines earlier were like 47 volts sag at 300 something amps. These lipos is crazy. And then like I just didn't even really get on it like that. I still got a ton of battery. I could probably do like 108, 109 or something. You know, cause it's 64 volts right now. Nah, 64, I don't wanna run again because when we started out, we were at 67, so we're not gonna run again. But I mean, like, dude, that's the pass. So look at that. Dude, these lipos is legendary, so they are revised now. So they will be available soon. Just hang with me, guys. Any comments, just holler at me. So 55 times 528. Tools, calculator, 55 times 528. 29,000 watts. And we could have pushed even harder. So yeah, guys. Shout out to KiloWattRC. Shout out to the lipo manufacturer. Shout out to Castle Creations. Shout out to Mac Opponents and XC. Shout out to Vidavon. And of course, y'all, shout out to TaylorRC. You guys came through with these wheels. These wheels is legit. Come on. Nothing done to them. It's just regular plastic, everything, and you saw that. It was 107. It was flying, bro. That joint was flying crazy. And look, looks perfect. So this plane about to take off. Let's take a look at this plane taking off. Let's see how she doing. Nice, taking off. If you ain't first, then you last. I'm just saying. Oh yeah, big shout out to Built by Rob and all you guys up there, man. Y'all pushing it. Champion RC, big shout out to Big Gap, J Mitch. Just shout out to everyone, man. Everyone's showing support. Shout out to my family, of course, my wife, my kids. I've been real busy lately, taking care of family stuff, man. You know, I got 3 kids, I got a wife, I got a normal job, and I'm running the business behind the scenes, so I've been real busy lately. So like I said, did 3 passes today, 107 miles an hour. Y'all take it easy. Peace.